Lesson 4.8, Augmented Matrices and Systems. And basically what that is what you have been doing, where you take a system, you put it into matrix form. Okay, that's what an augmented matrix is. So dealing with Cramers rule and how Cramers rule works. So I'm going to take my variable equations and I'm going to put them into a matrix. So we would have 3, 2, 1, -1. I'm going to call this my D matrix, okay? My main matrix. From here, I'm going to find the determinant of that matrix, okay? So we're going to cross multiply. 3 times -1 minus 2 times 1. -3 minus 2 is -5. So my main matrix is -5. Okay, the determinant of that main matrix. Now I'm going to find my D of X. So basically what I'm doing when I'm finding my X variable, I'm replacing my X column, which this is my X column, that's my Y column. I'm replacing my X column with the what it equals side. So in my X column, I'm going to have 0, -5. My Y column is going to stay the same. Okay, I just replaced my X column with the what it equals. My Y column stays the same. We're going to find this determinant. So 0 times -1 minus -5 times 2. So that equals +10. There's my D of X. We're going to do the same thing with my Y. So my D of Y. My X column stays the same. Nothing changes with that. My Y column is what's going to be replaced with the what it equals. So 0, -5. From here, we cross multiply. 3 times -5 minus 0 times 1. So this would be -15. Now to find what my Y and what my X is, I'm going to take each one of these and divide them. So I'm going to take my D of X over D. So I've got 10 over -5, which is -2. That cancels. My X is -2. Do the same thing for your Y. Your D of Y over D, which would be -15 over -5. The D's cancel. Y equals +3. So your solution is -2, 3. When you do the triples, make sure you plug those into calculator. Find the determinants that way. Okay, get those plugged into the calculator. You can also plug these into the calculator. I just think the 2x2s are a lot easier just to do it by hand a lot faster when you're finding the determinants.